Are you looking for the fuse box location in your Hyundai Santa Fe 2007 to 2012? In this video, we'll quickly show you all fuse box locations, including the engine compartment and cabin area, and explain how they protect your sedan vehicle's electrical system. Passenger compartment fuse box location. The Hyundai Santa Fe 2007 to 2009 passenger compartment fuse box diagram provides a detailed layout of the interior fuses that protect the vehicle's cabin electrical systems and accessories. It clearly identifies each fuse by its amperage rating and assigned circuit for quick troubleshooting and replacement. The diagram includes circuits for the power windows, instrument cluster, audio system, climate control, interior lighting, and central door locks. The Hyundai Santa Fe 2010 to 2012 passenger compartment fuse box diagram provides a clear layout of the interior fuses that protect the vehicle's cabin electrical systems and electronic features. It identifies each fuse by its amperage rating and assigned circuit, making troubleshooting and replacement quick and accurate. The diagram covers components such as the instrument cluster, power windows, climate control, audio system, interior lighting, and central door locking. Engine compartment fuse box location. The Hyundai Santa Fe 2007 to 2009 engine compartment fuse box diagram provides a clear layout of the fuses and relays that protect the engine and major electrical systems. It identifies each fuse by its amperage rating and assigned circuit, covering components such as the engine control module, fuel pump, ABS, cooling fan, headlights, horn, and charging system. Clearly labeled fuse and relay positions make troubleshooting and fuse replacement quick and accurate. This organized layout supports safe, efficient maintenance, and reliable operation of the vehicle's engine electrical systems. The printed fuse map inside the cover helps locate the correct fuse quickly and accurately. This organized layout supports safe, efficient maintenance, and reliable operation of the vehicle's engine electrical systems. The Hyundai Santa Fe 2010 to 2012 engine compartment fuse box diagram provides a detailed layout of the fuses and relays that protect the vehicle's engine and high current electrical systems. Located in the engine bay, it offers easy access for inspection, maintenance, and fuse replacement. Each fuse is clearly labeled with its amperage rating and assigned circuit for accurate identification. The diagram covers essential components such as the engine control module, fuel pump, ABS, cooling fan, radiator fan, headlights, horn, and charging system. It also includes high current fusible links that protect the main power distribution circuits from overloads and short circuits. Clearly marked relay positions simplify electrical diagnostics and starting system repairs. A printed fuse map inside the cover allows quick and accurate fuse identification. This organized layout helps reduce troubleshooting time and prevents incorrect fuse replacement. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse, link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.